Use a multimeter set to measure voltage to determine if a safety switch is open by checking for the expected 27 volts between the common terminal and the 24-volt terminal on the control board. Set your digital multimeter to the direct current voltage range that covers 30 volts direct current. With power applied to the system and proper safety precautions in place, place the black probe on the control board common terminal and the red probe on the terminal labeled 24 volt or 24 volt feed. If you read about 27 volts, the circuit is supplying control voltage and the switch chain upstream is closed at that point. If you do not read voltage at a particular switch location, you can isolate whether the fault is before or after that switch by testing at the control board and then at each switch in sequence toward the load. For switches that are mechanical, also test continuity with the multimeter set to resistance or continuity only after powering the circuit down and disconnecting power to avoid damage. Keep probe contact steady. Avoid touching metal parts with your fingers. And record each measurement so you can compare readings and identify intermittent faults. Common mistakes include measuring with the meter in the wrong range, which can give misleading or no readings. Correct this by selecting a voltage range that covers at least 30 volts direct current. Another issue is testing with power removed. When you actually need to verify the presence of control voltage, shut power only when checking continuity or resistance. Otherwise, measure voltage live, using insulated probes and proper precautions. A third frequent problem is assuming a single bad switch when wiring or connector corrosion is the cause. Follow the switches in sequence and inspect connectors for corrosion or loose terminals and clean or tighten them as needed. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work. And our site includes a community discussion area where users and pros exchange tips about electrical diagnostics and other projects. We provide tools and a forum so our community can share experiences, post questions, and locate help for projects of any size.